Sorry, excuse me. You're not in the queue. You're pushing in.
I'm in the business. I have announced the business before.
They haven't.
They have.
He told you to go at the back.
He has announced.
He told you to go at the back. He told you to go at the back.
No, he doesn't know anything. I came from the counter, he said that.
Talk to him, but don't join
Why
this
should
queue,
I talk
please.
to him? Why should I talk to them?
No.
I believe on that, what they are saying.
Talk to them,
No,
but
why
don't
talk to him? Why
don't
not talk
push
to
in
him?
the queue, please.
Sorry?
Please, don't push in the queue.
There
Don't
is no
push in
for
the queue.
Business, don't you know that?
No,
Haven't
ask
you
them.
traveled?
Ask them.
Ask
We've
them.
been waiting.
No.
We all have been waiting.
Everyone is waiting.
We
What
all
does that mean?
we all
No, you have
going
to
to
go.
London. Yeah, you have to go back.
Okay, we will.
They're pushing in.
No, no,
No,
no,
We've been joined.
They're dumping you.
doesn't matter.
Yeah.
No, I'm traveling business.
Talk to them.
Try to learn to stay in the line.
You also try to learn how, but it is finished.
Yeah.